The quality of a shuttlecock depends heavily on the quality of the feathers used, a traditional process in Indian shuttlecock making. Wild white duck or goose feathers are used. First, wash them in a solution of soapy water, then perform a preliminary selection of usable feathers. A single batch often takes an hour to wash. After being soaked in soapy water, the feathers are placed in clear water mixed with blue dye. This dye gives the feathers a luster, preventing the pressed feathers from yellowing or blackening. Next, the workers place the dyed and soaked feathers in the sun to dry completely before proceeding to the next step. Each feather is carefully selected, removing those that are not up to standard in terms of strength and evenness. Unsuitable feathers undergo secondary trimming using 2 pairs of scissors fixed with scissors to ensure the length remains consistent. Workers use scissors to trim the feathers to a uniform length. The next worker, based on experience, performs a second trimming, each feather trimmed by hand in just a few seconds. This master craftsman is the only machine operator, using the sole machine to drill holes in the cork bases. 16 holes are drilled on each base. Operating this machine requires exceptional skill. The operator must use steady hands to ensure the base is properly positioned. Then, another worker ties the feathers together with thread, creating 2 individual loops on the axis of each feather, thus forming the shuttlecock. To increase stability, workers apply a thin layer of resin to the base, then use an oil brush to thread the string. Finally, speed indicating strips are attached to the shuttlecocks. Green strips represent slow-speed shuttlecocks. Blue strips represent medium-speed shuttlecocks, and red strips represent fast-speed shuttlecocks. Since there are no speed indicators, the speed is determined by weight. This inefficient manual process is gradually being replaced by efficient industrialization, so please be gentle when using this shuttlecock.